Welcome back, everyone. What is the crack? Today's cocktail is the Whiskey Smash. Let's go. So if anyone is wondering where I've been lately, took a little holiday back home to Ireland, went there with the family for 2 weeks, drank a lot of Guinness, put a lot of weight on. Worth it. If you're new to the channel, we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's book. Today's drink is the Whiskey Smash, which is really simple cocktail to make, and it's very delicious. So grab your tin, and we're going to start off by putting 3 or 4 mint leaves in your shaker. These are really small mint leaves, so I might just do a couple more. Then we're going to cut up half a lemon and then cut it into quarters. So pretty much half the lemon, then half it again. And we're going to give that a good muddle with me muddler, which has gone missing, as it always does. Couldn't find my regular muddler, but this is the Punisher. Say hello to everyone, Punisher. We're just going to give that a good little muddle. Get right in there. You don't want to go too hard on this, because if you muddle mint too long, it goes bitter. You don't want to muddle lemons too much either, because the white pith inside is very bitter, and if you keep on muddling that, it's going to extract some of that bitterness, and you don't want that. All right, we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And then we're going to go 2 ounces of bourbon. We're going to go Elijah Craig today. Two ounces. All right. To this, we're going to add some ice, give it a really good shake. Shake. We are good. We are golden, as they say. Right, where's my glass? Here we go. Grab a rocks glass filled with ice. Man overboard there. A little bit. We're going to double strain this into your rocks glass. You don't want any little bits of mint or lemon floating about there. We're going to garnish this with a wedge of lemon. Just find yourself a nice little bit of mint sprig just to make it look all fancy. There you go, my friends. This is the Whiskey Smash. This drink, although it's got bourbon in it, is quite light and refreshing. Great on a summer's day. Great any day, to be honest. Whiskey Smash. The Whiskey Smash, ladies and gentlemen. Give it a go.